the sound of me burping. That would not be great. I mean, or maybe it would. Maybe it'd get me more views.
I'd pay to watch it.
You'd pay to watch.
The only thing I didn't finish was 9:33 because I didn't have a ruler or a protractor.
Yeah, a lot of people, while you were doing your homework, you popped into here to borrow a ruler and a protractor. Zach, what's up?
I did 36 in decimal form, but
Totally fine. That's fine. 12ths are not like super bad, but they're not great. So like the decimal form was probably, what'd you get for the decimal?
0.584
Rounded, right? So yeah, they're not very nice. So 7/12 is actually better. It's more accurate. Like 7/12 is better than the rounded decimal.
Yeah.
But is it okay? Yeah, I mean it's fine.
Could you go up a little bit more? You see if there's Thank you.
I probably did. Every now and then I cut certain problems out of the homework because I either don't like them or there's no space or I feel like they're not useful. Yeah.
For 38, I didn't simplify it. Oh, I was supposed to find
Like 1.125 or 9/8, something like that. As long as what you have is the same, like means the same thing, you're fine. You guys, I'm not checking your homework for right, wrong. The point of your homework is for you to practice so you're ready for when we do things like the quiz that we're going to do tomorrow. Hey, guess what? There's a quiz tomorrow.
What?
Hey, when you walk in and I say, we're taking a quiz, don't freak out because all it means is a little checkpoint assessment to see if you know what you're doing. And if you don't, guess what? You get progressing and then you do it again and you get mastery. No big deal, Lucy.
I do it again.
That's fine. So guys, what the quiz is going to be is you are going to walk in and I'm debating whether we're just going to do it on the table because I'm going to start covering my tables with paper and we might just start writing like on the tables because I think that
love that so much.
I think that would be kind of fun. So the quiz is going to be you and a partner or two. Like we could probably work in groups of 3 because we have to. You're going to be given a box and you're going to find the surface area and volume of that box. That's it. That's the quiz. Is checking, do we know how to calculate surface area? Do we know how to calculate volume? Which is why we're going to circle back and wrap up surface area today as well. Because I know we did the Desmos on it, but we didn't formally kind of all talk and get right answers together. Nick?
Is it going to be a physical box?
Yeah, literally back there behind Liam, there's a bunch of Chewy boxes. That's part of my prep for the quiz tomorrow. It is going to be a physical box, yes. Thank you for the display, Liam.
Will it be pre-measured?
Yeah, actually, so fun story, Chewy boxes, and I think I brought this up when we started talking about dimensions. Not even just Chewy boxes, but I ended up with a ton of these because my dogs. Chewy boxes have the dimensions on them. And actually, most boxes do, at least if they come from a big factory, because somebody is being told by the computer, grab the 2412.6 to package up this stuff, because they figured out how big the stuff is, and they know this box will hold it. Right? So, this box is not what I get my dog food in. My dog food would not fit in this box. This was probably toys, toys and treats, right?
Yeah.
This box is what my dog food comes in, because it's a lot bigger, right?
That's a lot of dog food.
And yes, we order our dog food from Chewy because it's prescription, because my dogs are not particular. My German Shepherd, by the way, German Shepherds are really prone to lots of different diseases and hip dysplasia and stuff like that. So if you're going to get a German Shepherd, be aware. You're probably going to have some vet bills. So yeah, my dogs eat special food. All right, any questions on 913? Because if we get talking about my dogs, I could talk for a while. What? Sorry. Oh, VIP dog.
My dog's almost died twice.
What?
How? Well, I mean, same with one of mine. Oh, jeez. Mine got hit by a car because he will not stay out of the road.
Yeah, and
Years ago back in Coshocton.
he also ate fish, but we didn't know who's related to it.
My dog ate too many M&Ms.
Lucy,
So right after we take the test, also should I just turn it over?
you can turn in your homework today, yeah. And if you come talk it through with me, because you guys are missing class for a Phoenix thing, I probably won't make you do extra work. You can probably just talk it through with me just to make sure that you know what's up. Because our formal mastery will be at the end of the chapter. This is just a quick little checkpoint. Guys, you know I'm in grad school, or if you don't know, you don't listen to me, and that's okay. I know only about 30% of what I say gets through probably. Part of my grad school research that I've been doing is that assessment helps learning. Literally being told you're going to be assessed, being asked to remember things and recall them and actually apply. So the more you assess, actually, there's lots of research, the more you assess, the better it is for learning. I know it seems counterintuitive of, well, testing is just me like spitting the information back out, but there's lots of research. Testing helps you learn, like assessment, especially low stakes, which masteries are low stakes. You know you can redo it. You know you get multiple chances.
We're approaching competence.
Hey, I'm holding my breath waiting for my last paper for this class, so let's not joke about approaching competence.
So 47A, 16 pi.
What does 16 pi calculate out to? Is it approximately 50.24? Because I bet it is. Because 15 times 3 would be about 45, so a little bit more than both of those numbers. I bet. Yeah, so if you left it in terms of pi, that's okay. Liam?
Wait, what did we do Tuesday?
I don't know. What did we do? Oh, Desmos, I think. Wasn't Tuesday the Did you do the candy activity in Desmos? Because if not, that's what you missed. So if it's in there. So if you want to do it at extensions or at some point, or even at home, you can do it. It's sort of related to Willy Wonka, but not quite. If you listen to the first thing, it sounds like pure imagination. Correct. Yes.
I get 92.
Absolutely. I think it's right back here.
I thought 91.
What is the pi? How do you draw the pi symbol?
It's like a weird.
I made my job.
Anyone else need 2-2 that we're doing today? The cross sections. I'll just set it out back here if you need it. All right, now I gotta pause my video and hope that it will restart because I got other people's videos to share. Because guys, there are just times that utilizing somebody else's video is better, more efficient, and just like, why not choose the better option for you guys? So we've got 2 different videos to go look at, and then we'll circle back to why do we have a picture of a dilly bar here. One thing you could do while we're watching the video is you should have these notes out in front of you. These notes. Your prism doesn't have these 3 lines, so you can't like see through your prism. If you want to add those lines, you can. I know it's kind of awkward. The pyramid does show us the lines on the back side. The prism didn't, so you could add those lines if you want to, and then we'll be using that paper as soon as we're done with the video. Back to what y'all were mad at me about. If we were going to try to share this dilly bar, and we start cutting it, yeah, first of all, gross. So, what shapes, what cross-section shapes could we get out of this dilly bar? Assume the bite hasn't been taken out of it yet, okay? Assume the bite has...
Would Caitlin Olemacher please report to the main office?
So turn to your neighbor, whatever, take like a minute. Try to figure out what shapes could we make. One straight slice. Yep, you gotta slice straight through. Yeah, like what's the shape of that? Yeah, there's, so maybe, this is when I learned that like, oh, I tried this new this year and maybe this doesn't work that well. As Jake was pointing out, it's not quite a circle, right? Because where they push the stick in, it kind of has that, oh, yes, okay, thank you.
I said whatever.
So, Berkeley, you want to tell me a shape we could get? Hi, hello, what's up? You're right, we are talking. I'm always talking. Berk, you want to give me a shape? I heard that, Olivia. When I said I feel like I'm always talking, and you said me too. Oh, you mean you're always talking. I thought you were meaning I'm always talking. Berkeley, how can I get a rectangle? Like, yeah, because if we cut across it and through it, right, it's got thickness. So Berkeley said cut across it, we can get a rectangle, right? So we could slice across a rectangle. Caden hiding behind Olivia's hair. Caden, what else can we get? Go ahead.
Oh my god, that hurts.
And you can call your shape like a...
Shape, or wait, no.
If you want to put like quotes around your shape if it's not a perfect shape.
Never mind. I had an idea and then realized that it wouldn't
cut like through one of the rounded edges, but then out the front or out the back?
Oh yeah.
So guys, imagine going through the rounded edge, right? Slice through there, but then come out the back or out the front. We get like a.
Oh yeah.
Like I don't know quite what this is called.
Damn.
Hey gentlemen, real. You're dancing right on that line of like potentially sounding like a swear word. Can I get a circle?
Well, I have an yes.
Yeah, if I slice through right here, right, like through right here all the way around, and okay, not quite a circle, but and if the bite's taken out, yeah, I get it. Anna?
Okay. So this is a.
You have 30 seconds.
Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, if you like cut right on the edge, because they're like they have like that thick part around.
Yeah.
So if you like cut on the edge and then you just go like that on the edge, and then like if you so this
Yeah,
is
depending on the
like
angle
this,
that you cut with. Yeah,
then it could be like a triangle. Like,
depending on the angle. Hey guys, there are lots of options with cross sections. Last one, Alex, go super fast because I got something else I need to do.
You can make a square. I knew it. Cut right here.
Yeah.
Like, use this. Shush. That's messed up.
We want to go back to 921. We want to go back to 921.
It's messed up.
And if we're gonna wrap up our surface area right
We
back.
have volunteers.
No,
Stop
No, we're not. Chill.
Stop it.
Explain it.
No, don't explain it. I swear if you explain it, she's gonna eat you. I will cook.
So guys, what we're doing here is if this is a real physical shape, and we want to talk about to wrap the whole thing like perfectly, right? All that we gotta like go in there, and we got so like okay, so the back. What's the area of the back? 6, right? We know that, but I need you and your partner. Thank you. You and your partner to find volume and surface area for both of these structures. Okay, this one looks like this. Take like a minute or two, although we are running out of time quick.
Let's imagine. Full 2. This is a full 2. We're imagining our length. 8.8. Full 2. Answer. Minus.
Oh well, I'm working on the surface area. Volume might be 8, but I'm working on the surface area. It's 16 and then 22.
Whatever that is.
It's 22.
22.
But it is that simple. It's only 8 grams.
Yeah, people that give me food tend to be my friends.
When did Mr. Estes say don't eat them red berries?
I don't know.
This is confusing.
You are correct. All right, so guys, surface area. Bring it back. Bring it back. I got 2 minutes left. Or no, I got more than that. No, I got 2 minutes left. So,
Wait, did you say find the volume?
Time to wrap up.
volume is easier than surface area. Guys, this is not the same as your Desmos. Desmos was straight up rectangles. Well, prisms, right? Because it was all just regular rectangles every side. And now we're messed up because like the back is not necessarily the same as the front. But if I look at it from this view to only look at the back, we said it has how many? 6. So I might as well jot that down. And then, guys, don't overthink it. If I look at all of the faces pointing to the front, how many point to the front? 6 also. If I look at all of the faces from the right, 4. And left is 4. And then bottom,
4.
another 4. Oh, that's back, right? Back, front, right, left, bottom,
I saw a square when I first.
and top. 4. So how many total? 28 units squared. So guys, hey, hey friends, when we release late, it's not my fault because I keep having to wait for you guys. I think we're excited, but like, come on. This side, nice 6, right? Because it's all together.
Yep.
But when I flip it the other direction, I still have 6. Even though like these come out for, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I want you guys to think about as we get into our surface area study is like, all because the shape gets a little funky doesn't mean like that my left and right are necessarily different. They might look different, but like my front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My back, a nicer 8, but still 8. My left, 6. My right, still 6. My front, 8, right? My top, top is 8, bottom is 8, right? Like, so just, even though the shapes get a little funky, realize that like if I can see the front, there's also going to be a back. All right, get out of here, guys. Sorry that we're late.
All right, bye.
Puzzled my brain.
Might have an 8 night.